Hello, I'm Jonathan from Acupuncture-Points.org. Today I'm going to be talking about how to take a cold shower. It's a lot better than coffee, and it's much cheaper than coffee on a regular basis. So if you have a cold shower first thing in the morning, it will set you up, you'll feel really good for most of the rest of the day. But now we get on to the important bit, which is how to take a cold shower. And for this you need to understand where the yang areas of your body are and the yin areas, because the yin areas are those parts which you need to protect. The yang areas are the parts that react quickly to stimulations. So the yang areas are your head and your upper back. The yin areas are the front of your body, especially your abdomen. So when you start the cold shower, first of all, please have a warm shower. I want you to be nice and warm and cozy and clean. So if you're going to soap yourself, get clean first. So you've now had a warm shower and you're thinking about what to do to start this cold shower business. Here's what you do. First of all, you start breathing like a steam engine. In other words, pumping the breath in and out. Up, down, in, out, ready. Like that, okay? That's the first thing. Secondly, your knees, you start bending and straightening your knees. So you're bobbing up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, with the nose. So, okay? Do that for 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. That gets your body ready to go. Now turn the shower to cold. Now I know virtually everybody thinks, God, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to turn it halfway down. But actually it will work better if you turn it down to cold. I'm assuming, by the way, that the cold is room temperature coldness. We're not talking about -5 degrees. We're talking about chilled, cool water, not freezing water. Okay, so you're pumping away, up, down, and then you turn it to cold. And you address the shower on your upper back, up here. That's the first place. Maybe 5 seconds there. Up, down, in, out, and you're pumping it away on here. Then if you wash your hair as well, up to the top of your head. So it's down like that. Again, 5-10 seconds. We'll talk about the timing in a second. And then, having done that, put your face up so the water's coming down here. And that will bring some of the water down over the front of your body. And then you can point the shower at your abdomen. Now, I promise you, by this time, if you had the shower on your upper back and your head and your face, you'll hardly notice it on your abdomen. It won't feel cold. I promise you. You won't believe me until you try it. But if you do it the way I suggest, with that pumping action, in the order I've told you, upper back, head, face, and then down the front, it will not feel cold. It's extraordinary because your body has reacted to the cold water by producing warmth, that bracing warmth that you want. After that, on your legs, front and back, and down your arms, and finish off by, again, on the upper back here, or if you prefer, on your head. So how long do you take in each of these positions? Well, if you're starting off, probably only 3 or 4, maybe 5 seconds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So that's how long you take it. Then on your head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The front of your body, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your bum, back of your legs, all the rest of it. And then finish off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So I don't care if you only do it for 3 seconds, but actually you do need about 5 seconds for your body to come bracing to the rescue and produce that bracing energy, yang energy that we're talking about. But that's how you do it. And then you turn the shower off, get out, wipe yourself down, dry yourself off vigorously, and get dressed. And that's it. So just to recap, basically you start with your upper back a few seconds, your head a few seconds if you wash your hair, your face a few seconds, the front of your body, your bum, your legs, and back just for the final bit on the upper back. So you could do the whole thing in 20 seconds if you go quickly. But usually I would say 30 seconds. Now, if you take it for too long, you will find over time that you get out and are shivering. You've gone on for too long. Just shorten it. What I do not suggest you do is start it up all over again and have the warm shower to get warmed up again. All right? Now, that's a whole part of hydrotherapy, which does include warming up, cooling down, warming up, cooling down. But for this, you simply want to be warm in the first place, and then by cooling yourself down the way I suggest, you get your body to warm itself up. And then you get out, you dry yourself off, and get dressed. And that's it. And you will feel half an inch off the ground. You'll feel fantastic. Bracing, energized, ready with good yang energy to face the day. So that's how to take a cold shower. Okay, try it. Thanks for listening.